Mga ka-nose, musta?
Siyempre, lagaw naman ta diri sa Vista Mall.
I'm drinking nose and welcome to my vlog.
Expecto perfecto kagid diri
As Coffee Project unveils Harry Potter collaboration.
as I give you a quick look of what magical surprises await for you. Tara, sulod na ta diri. Siyempre, mag-flexing customin natin.
Ano daw? Ang Coffee Project, isa sa Philippines' most Instagrammable coffee shop, serving you good quality concoctions of foods and drinks.
Provide excellent coffee and gracious service, creating memorable experiences for the people. Ari na ang ila Harry Potter themed drinks para sa mga diehard fans and to experience that wizarding world, featuring the famous Hogwarts houses in different flavors. Ma-feel mo gidi ang Hogwarts vibes. Mapa Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, and my favorite, Slytherin.
O diba, Snape-inspired na.
Kag-ari na ila drinks. Gryffindor Mango Berry Frap, a thick blend of bold flavors of mango and raspberry that signifies the color of the gem of Gryffindor House, Ruby. Slytherin Matcha
A
Frap,
stunning blend of matcha and cold brew coffee with bits of coffee jelly.
topped with charcoal whipped cream to finish the powerful Slytherin touch. Hufflepuff Citrus Frap, a mix of cream puff and citrus flavor, topped with Hufflepuff's pride of black charcoal whipped cream and dehydrated lemon. Ravenclaw Latte Frap, a special blend of Ravenclaw's signature colors of blue and bronze that consists of coffee base mixed with tropical island flavoring, topped with whipped cream. Start your very own Harry Potter journey by collecting 15 stickers. An exclusive chance to get this limited edition Coffee Project Harry Potter Wizard Planner. Earned by buying these special beverages. And maraming salamat sa Ilonggo content creators kasama ko during this event. Most especially sa Vista Mall and Coffee Project. Ubusin, pagkain. Oh, di ba? Magic. May dessert pa. Big thank you for Vista Mall and Coffee Project for this wonderful experience and products. Hope you like this video. Please do like, follow my social media platforms, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Notes. See you again on my next Lagaw and food trip series here in the City of Iloilo City. Bye!